Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about TCS coding questions. So these two were the questions that were asked as part of TCS interview. So if you haven't watched the video, please go to on our channel and you can visit. So this was for the candidate with the experience 4.5 years. So this is the video this is the video that we have already shared, which is there on our channel. And in this video we'll be discussing about the coding questions that were asked, and we'll be, as part of the interview, and we'll be trying to give the solution. So firstly, let us choose this one. So what is the question? I'll write a program to find a number is is even or odd without using modulus operator. So this is can we like this can be solved using different ways. So the first way that I would like to solve is, we can divide the given number, we can get the coefficient, and if we multiply the coefficient with 2, and if it is equal to the number that we have used, then it is even, or else that would be an odd. So how we can see? Let us take int some number. Okay, let us name it as input number, and let us take it as 5. So 5 is an odd. So how to find it? So whether it is even or odd, what we can do, so just declare one more coefficient, and the coefficient equal to 5 by 2, divide it by 2, or instead of 5 you can say input by 2. Okay, so you get one coefficient, one number, and what is the logic? If this coefficient multiplied by 2 equals the input number, the number which we have taken as input, whether to check whether this is even or odd. If this equals, then this is a even number, even number, or else directly this is a odd number. So this is how we can achieve it without using modulus operator. So let us run and see whether this gives the desired output or not. 5 is the input, 5 is an odd number, so it should print odd number. So if you see, the odd number gets printed. If we take it as 6, so 6 is an even number, and let us see what it prints. So 6 is an even number. So this is one way of approach, how we can do it. The second approach is approach 2, using bit operator. How we can do that? Even that is very simple. What we have to do, uh, let us take the same number as an input. Now what I'll do, if at all uh, what I'll do, if at all input ampersand 1 double equals 0, then this is even number. So let me print it as, let me print from, yeah, let us print this only. Copy input, else directly I'll copy this as odd. Okay, let us see now. Two times this should get even should get printed. So both the times even gets printed. If at all I take it as 7, and then if at all I run this, so both the times odd get printed. So these are the two approaches that can be used to find whether the given number is input, whether the given input is an even number or odd number, without using modulus operator. So I hope it was pretty much straightforward question, and it is easy as well. So next question is, print a pattern with 1 star in one line and 2 stars in second line, and so on up to 5 rows. Okay, so ideally this is called pyramid or triangle, you can say. So let us see how to achieve that. So I'll write a prior one method here, like a static method. Let me write public static write print, let's check it as triangle, and it takes one input n. So what we have to do, we need three loops to achieve this goal. So first would be int I equals 0, I less than n, increment I. So here in this is the first input, and sorry, I here. So here I just print one line, that's it. So next what I'll do, I need one more, I need two more for loops here. So for int j equals n minus I, j greater than 1, decrement j. I'll tell you why we need this for loop, and here yes, so here what I'll print space. I'll tell you why we need this. Next for loop we need, so next for loop how it will start, let us take it as int j equals 0, j less than or equals to I, j increment, we will increment the j. And here in this we'll be having one more csort where we'll print a star. So ideally it should be printed. So let us see, let us call this method and see what will be the output. Let us take the same input number, we'll pass the same input number. Okay, so let us run this and see how, see we got the desired output. So ideally the input is taken as 7, I think. Yeah, it is 7. So we got 7 lines, and in the last line, like the first line we got 1 star, in the second line we got 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 6 stars. So what we have done here, we'll explain now. So the first outer loop, this outer loop is just to print one line. So what is this outer loop for? Outer loop for hand to or else we can say outer loop to handle rows. Okay, so next this for loop, this like inner loop to handle spaces, to handle spaces, and the third inner loop is to print the stars, print the stars. Oh sorry. So this is what, these were the two questions that were asked as part of TCS interview questions. So these were pretty much straightforward questions, but if at all you are not practicing it, especially to the print pattern, ideally if you are from like CSE background, in your college or in your BTech or BE, you will in the labs you will be asked to print these patterns. But if at all you are from some other background, so you need to practice a lot, and even this thing logically you have to think how we can achieve. So it looks straightforward, but these are challenging questions, especially when you are under pressure in the interview. So I hope this has given you some good picture like how to solve these two questions. And that's it in this video, and it was about, these were the two questions that were asked as part of TCS interview question. And yep, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.